You are right in the middle of a perfect video edit, and suddenly your entire workflow hits a brick wall. That wall usually takes the form of a persistent no internet connection error, popping up exactly when you try to load a new effect, animation, or template. If you have tried to fix this before, you probably found that simple tricks only work for a few minutes before CapCut reestablishes the block and cuts your connection again. To get past this restriction permanently, we have to follow a strict 5-step protocol. This specific sequence will reset the app's internal network state and restore your editing capabilities. Step 1 is building a secure external bridge. We need to route your device's data traffic through a completely different tunnel to bypass the initial network block. Open the Google Play Store, search for Proton VPN, and download the app. Once the installation is finished, open the application and tap the main Connect button. You will know this step is complete when you see a small key symbol appear at the very top of your phone's status bar, confirming the tunnel is active. But an open external connection is only half the solution. The internal CapCut data is still corrupted with old network logs, which brings us to step 2. Long press the CapCut icon on your home screen, tap App Info, and scroll down to open the Storage section. Looking at this storage menu, you must be very careful to avoid the Clear Data option. Tapping that will permanently delete every single one of your saved video projects. Instead, tap Clear Cache. This safely targets and removes only the temporary error logs that are causing our problem. Step 3 takes us out of CapCut and into your phone's primary settings menu. Use the top search bar to look for your private DNS configuration. Open the private DNS menu and cycle the connection state. Switch it to automatic, immediately switch it back to off, and hit save. Clearing those local conflicts ensures CapCut can no longer rely on its broken cached errors. It is now forced to utilize the external VPN bridge we just built. Now, open CapCut, tap the Me Profile tab in the bottom right corner, and open the internal settings menu. Find the toggle for Business Creator Mode and switch it to the on position. The app interface will automatically reload for a brief second. That flash confirms the business mode has been successfully triggered. This flowchart illustrates step 5, using a language switch to force a manual ping to CapCut's central servers. To initiate it, change the app language from English to a random alternative and apply. Immediately switch it straight back to English. That rapid double toggle forces a complete internal refresh, finalizing the application's new connection state and locking in the bypass. Let's verify the protocol worked. Open up a test project and navigate to the traditionally blocked Templates and Effects tabs. Instead of an endless loading wheel, you will immediately see a return to fluid, unrestricted access to your entire creative toolset. You can apply complex trending effects and animations, and they will load instantly onto your timeline without triggering a single error message. This protocol also addresses the secondary symptom of the network block, the inability to successfully export your finished edits. Click the Export button in the top right. You will see the progress bar run smoothly to 100%.